What's the meaning of condone? Condone. Condone.
Condone. Condone. Condone means to overlook or forgive an offense, wrongdoing, or bad behavior without taking any action against it. It can also refer to tacit approval or acceptance of such behavior. When someone condones something, they are essentially allowing it to continue or go unpunished, and signaling that it is acceptable. This can have negative consequences, as it can encourage further bad behavior and undermine efforts to maintain order and fairness. Therefore, it is important to hold people accountable for their actions and not condone unacceptable behavior.